Siyabingelela futhi bazalwane kwelihle igama lomfeli wethu uJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Siyabonga kakhulu ke bazalwane. Umbuso kaNkuluNkulu esiwushumayelayo, intando kaNkuluNkulu, icebo likaNkuluNkulu ngoJesu Kristu. Ukuba bonke abantu basindiswe bafinyelele kulazini iqiniso mase besindisiwe besebenza intando kaNkuluNkulu ophilayo. Siyabonga kakhulu ngalama teachings. Mhlambe ke ngifuna njengamanje sifunde uMatthew chapter 17 uverse 5. Munye kuphela esinikezwe yena ukuba simlalele. Sizovuselelana ngalokho bazalwane. Sizokhumbuza nalokho. Uyedwa kuphela. Uyedwa. Munye kuphela okumele alalelwe. Matthew chapter 17 verse 5. While he was still speaking, behold, a bright cloud overshadowed them. And a voice from the cloud said, "This is my beloved Son, with whom I am well pleased and delighted. Listen to him." Uma ngabe ulifunda lonke iBhayibheli kwiNew Testament, yilana ozozwa khona kuphila, ayile ngxenye kuphela, kwabanye kukhona, kodwa istatement esinje ilesi statement kuphela la uzozwa khona ukuvezwa ukuthi munye umuntu okumele senze njani, simlalele. Ungubani lowo? UnguJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Angazi-ke i-opinion yakho, i-theory yakho, i-belief yakho ukuthi uyisupporta ngaliphi ivesi. Uma ngabe kumele uye esikoleni salelizwe uyofunda, ulalele bonke abantu abafundisayo. Uma ngabe uzolalela wonke ama-politicians, uma uzolalela bonke abafundisi be-theology, secular theology. I-NIV verse 5, while he was still speaking, a bright cloud enveloped them, and a voice from the cloud said, "This is my Son, whom I love. With him I am well pleased. Listen to him." Leli gama elithi listen siyalithola ku-NIV, siyalithola futhi ku-Amplified. Ake sicheke ke manje kwenye ilokhuzana i-version uMatthew chapter 17 ngenye version verse 5. ISV, he was still speaking when a bright cloud suddenly overshadowed them. A voice from the cloud said, "This is my Son, whom I love. I am pleased with him. Keep on listening to him." Keep on listening to him. Ningayeki ukumlalela. Sikephi isikhathi sokulalela ama-school teachers, ama-lecturers, ama-bosses emsebenzini, ama-training, ama-trainers, ama-coach, ama-business mentors. Sikephi isikhathi sokulalela abantu? Because i-ISV ithi keep on listening to him. Uyena umuntu engithokoze ngaye lo, and yona ndodana yami engiyithandayo. Lalelani yona. Ngifuna ukusho lokho kule video. Uyedwa umuntu esinikezwe yena ukuba simlalele, ofuneka siqhubeke futhi simlalela, uJesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Umoya ongcwele usenzela umusa-ke, uyakufaka enhlizweni zabantu all over the world. Kunabantu abahluphekile emoyeni wabo, bakhathele ukulalela abanye abantu. Bakulakhathele ukulalela imilando yabanye abantu nemfundiso zabanye abantu. Bakhathele ukulalela ama-politicians, bakhathele ukulalela ama-academics, bakhathele ukulalela ama-professionals, bakhathele ukulalela professors, bakhathele ukulalela wise people, bakhathele ukulalela ama-philosophers. Khona into abafuna ukuyizwa but abayitholi. Abanye uNkulunkulu benzela umusa mase beyitholile bayalandela. They give up everything they have just to follow the voice of the living God. Sifunde uMatthew 17 verse 5. Mhlamba amanye ama-version asazi tabeka kanjani ake siwezwe. Matthew 17 verse 5 amanye ama-version. Right. While Peter was still speaking, a bright cloud appeared and it covered them all. They heard a voice which came out from the cloud. This is my son. It said, I love him and he makes me very happy. Listen to him. EPPE, while he was still talking, a bright cloud came over them and a voice out of the cloud saying, this is my dearly loved son, with whom I am well pleased. Give ear to him. The King James Version. While he yet spake, behold, a bright cloud overshadowed them. And behold, a voice out of the cloud, which said, this is my beloved son, in whom I am well pleased. Hear ye him. NET, while he was still speaking, a bright cloud overshadowed them, and a voice from the cloud said, this is my one dear son, in whom I take great delight. Listen to him. Ngizosho lokho bazalwane, u-2026 usaqala, munye umuntu esidinga umlalela onconywe waphakanyiswa ubaba uNkulunkulu ezulwini, lowo muntu uJesu Kristu waseNazaretha okumele simlalele. Angazi ke njengoba manje umnyaka uqalile bangako usubalalele, bangako oqhubekayo uthi uyobalalela. Alikuvezi lana ukuba lelizwe olivela ezulwini belifuna silalele ama-school teachers nama-university teachers, laba babizwa kuthiwa ama-lecturers, ama-theologians, belizosho. But lithi, this is my beloved son, only one, only him. Give ear to him, listen to him, hear him. Silalele yena. Ikhomandi le, umyalo lovela ezulwini. Ubaba uNkulunkulu izikhulumela yena. Ivoice yakhe izwakala kwicloud efini. Ethi lo indoda yami ethandekayo engithokozile ngayo. Mzweni, mlaleleni. The best thing that you can do for yourself in this year, empilweni yakho, ukuthatha isinqumo sokulalela uJesu. Sithatha isinqumo sokulandela uJesu. Ngiyabonga egameni likaJesu. Amen.